Hey Van Heist, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed using the Seesaw stop motion method that I shared with you last week. This week we're going to try something different. I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process to add a Google Chrome extension to your device that's known as Stop Motion Maker. Now, there's a couple of steps to getting this program, but it's really easy to use and it's a way better tool for making stop motion videos. So today, we are going to be using our modeling clay. You are welcome to use other things, toys, props, tools, stuff that you might want to include in your video. But let's try out this method of stop motion making and see if we like it better than last week. So let's get going. All right, so I'm going to include the link to get to the Stop Motion Animator app for Google Chrome. But in case you want to Google it yourself, all you got to do is type in Stop Motion Animator Chrome, and you'll see it as the first option here. So I'm going to click right there. Okay, so we are in the Chrome Web Store. I bet some of you have gotten free apps from here before. This is kind of like an app store for Google Chrome where you can get little extensions. They often show up near the top of your Chrome browser. Some of you have become familiar with Custom Cursor or maybe Ad Blocker. But either way, we are going to be using Stop Motion Animator. So once you get to this spot, you can click that blue button that says Add to Chrome. And then it says, it's pretty much asking if the app can use your microphone and camera, and yes, we would like it to. So I will select Add App. All right, once you have downloaded the app onto your device, it should give you the option to launch app. And from here, we'll be able to see how the app works. Let's see. Yep. Hello. It was able to access my camera and microphone, and you can see all of these great options here to create your video with. The most important option is going to be this capture button right here. So I'm just going to click that once, and then you're going to see how this program works. Click. Now watch as I move away from the camera. Whoa, do you see how my old picture is still there? It's almost like a see-through mirage. That gives us the ability to line our shots up exactly where they were before. It's pretty wild. So I wonder if the spacebar works. Yep, spacebar works. I'm just gonna move myself back and forth a few times. So you can still use the spacebar to capture. All right, so far I've been moving around. Let's press play and see what we have. All right, pretty cool. Now this is gonna work a lot better with something small and something made out of clay. I'm gonna go ahead and clear this. Okay. Now you can see that I've got my clay mat at the ready. I've got my clay pieces, and we'll see what we can make. Here we go. All right, so I just completed my video with this little red clay ball here, and I realized I was meaning for you all to be able to watch what I was doing, so I put my phone here, but then I put this big shoebox here and didn't realize it was totally in the way. So essentially what I was doing while making that video, I'll move the shoebox so you can see. I put my clay mat down on the shoebox, and I would roll my clay and then hit the space bar, roll it again, hit the space bar. And this time, we don't have to hit the space bar 2 times twice like we did last time. You just have to hit that one time. And the video is able to make the capture. And then like we saw, it kind of leaves the mirage image of the capture before. So you know where you want to move it, or let's say your clay rolls away and you know exactly where it was before by looking at your previous shot. So let's see how my video turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna press play stop. Awesome. Now that one worked out a lot better than last week's because we didn't have those kind of jumpy clicky noises from the spacebar. This one is not actually recording. Maybe we could record audio with it. Let's see what this record button does. Oh yes, just walking around. Oh, I think I'll turn into a ball. Rolly, 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 rolly. Did it work? Let's hear.
Oh yes, just walking around. Oh, I think I'll turn into a ball. Rolly, 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 rolly.
Wow, that is so cool. Okay, so the last step after you're done making your video this week, in order to share it with us, you have to go to save, I believe, right here. Give your movie a name. I'm gonna say Roly Poly. I guess that says Rolly Polly, that's fine. And then it should have, yep, you can see down here, it just downloaded my video. So in order to share it with us, what you could do is go into Seesaw. So this is what it looks like when you normally would respond. I can go over here to that camera and I'm gonna click upload. Let's see if I can find my video that I just saved. Oh, yep, there it is, Rolly Polly. Let's see if it will actually work. Open. There it is, let's hear it.
Oh yes, just walking around. Oh, I think I'll turn into a ball. Rolly, 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 rolly.
Sweet. So now that you know of 2 different ways of creating a stop motion claymation video, I want you to experiment and have fun with it. The extension or Chrome app that I showed you this week has the ability to add sound to your video. So maybe after you're done filming the video, going back and adding sound could add a whole nother amazing and hilarious element to your video. If you have any questions about this, feel free to send me an email, because I know that I'm asking you to do a couple extra steps this week that can be a little bit challenging, but the payoff for working hard on a stop motion video is so good. Thanks so much for watching, Van Heist. I can't wait to see what kind of videos you create for part 2 of our Claymation project. We'll see you next time.